this under the car.
That's why I thought you was gonna come out.
I thought you was gonna show them.
So we got the turbo back out. It was on the car mounted just for fitment purposes. We realized that the top of it right here, this mounts onto the back of the engine. But this has to be clocked upward so it can get the piping to it. So all we did was unloosen. Right here, so you're able to clock it as so. You could clock it as so, it moves kind of freely. You just want it to face upwards. When it's in the back of the engine, it'll be like that. And this has to be upwards, like right about here. So we could get the hose through here to the blowout valve piping. So I'm gonna leave this guy down here so he could push it up. And I'll put it from the top side, so I'll see you guys on the top end.
This Gerber is down here trying
That line is in the way?
Nigga, I can't see.
I cannot see. I'm legally blind. That's my story. I'm sticking to it.
I'm holding the whole turbo.
Now pull it up. You're almost there. He's trying to line it up. Pull it in straight. There you go. That's what I'm saying.
Feels great. Love your car.
Somebody came here and they told me this car was running like 3 days ago. I tell them they capping.
All I want to hear.
I don't even care if it's fast. I just want to hear it. That's 9 times out of 10. You pull up next to him and he goes, oh, I gotta race him. That's what I'm saying. It could be slow. They want exhaust. Twerking and shit, man. Like, that's what it's
Look at that. I'm back again, YouTube. Today's just another day, you know. We all out here working. I ain't really working much. You know, today we're working on actually doing the piping and shit. You see a man underneath his. You don't know how to act. The hardest thing about this is we don't know what we're doing. Not to mention there's no instructions on this at all. So we're kind of just doing it ourselves. Look at him. Alright, okay. Should I start vlogging, guys? I feel like I should start vlogging. I'm not gonna lie to you, bro.
This, I can't fucking get this on, guy.
Y'all see what I gotta deal with? This is dating.
Get the so we got a little something, you know. So we got the turbo clock, the coupler around the turbo neck, and it's a little 90-degree coupler. It's a coupler like this, onto the turbo in the back.
They hate tools. They hate the fact that we have tools.
I think I like tools, bro.
Well, this guy hates tools.
Bro, it's not I hate tools, but we don't know where it is.
Hold on, I'm zooming in. Okay, now you can talk.
Bro, we don't know where it is.
We got the piping done.
We piped the car.
We piped the car, yes sir. You don't even gotta pause, bro. She a girl, she like that. You wouldn't pipe your car?
Yeah, but you sharing it with Brandon?
Nah, bro, nah. You see, you can't be piping my girl, bro. Nah, bro. Can't be doing that.
I have the keys already. I have the keys to the castle, so it's over.
What? Gives them the keys to the castle, bro.
I think your engine mounts can only last for 4 years. It's the expiration.
We did all the piping for the PRL Stage 2 turbo kit. Auto body right here, stock throttle body, PRL adapter kit for the stock throttle body, RBC intake manifold, Acuity fuel rail, Acuity fuel pressure gauge. This came in the PRL kit. We got the intercooler mocked up. Crash beam, intercooler stabilizer bar, whatever that's called, I don't know. We mounted. That's some nice kicks, bro. I'm not gonna hold you. That's some heat, bro. That's some heat. Hold up. I don't even want to touch it, bro. I don't even want to touch it, but.
You touch it, I'm trying to slap you.
Give it a little spin. Give it a little. Okay.
EYBL.
Okay, yes, sir. EYBL League.
I got early access on the 2 from sneakers.
When those released?
Last Saturday.
Those are tough, bro.
Sold out too, though.
Bro. Those are tough. Those are probably worth bread. How much those worth? No?
They were worth $12.80. I've only going for like 30.
That's calm. What's retail? 180. It's time to drop this off at the shop.
All right.
Oh, man.
Today's the big day. We're about to take the transmission to the shop to get it refabricated. You feel me? Relubricated. You feel me? Because I'm educated. You feel me?
Yeah. Yeah, bro. This trying to lift this shit. Oh, shit. Okay. Okay, Superman. Okay. 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 I'm about to drop my trance, bro. Yo, chill.
You have subs. Don't do this shit.
Oh, shit. That's a sensor, bro. Can somebody please help me?
I said set it up right here.
Okay.
Mr. Hercules. Mr. Hercules.
Bro, pick up the transmission, bro.
I'm saying, bro, you wasting time, bro. It's still hot.
They got no areas where you can really grab it,
Bro, you put it in there, bro. You could pull it out. Bro, there's a lift right there. You don't grab it by the lift. I ain't even showing on the camera.
That falls, bro. It falls, bro.
Come on, Mr. Hercules.
Man,
That's what I told him.
bro, it's his fault, man. He told me to park over here, bro. Me? Park over there. That boy tried to make my car faster too.
Ooh, it's kind of nice. This is really nice. Soon to come.
Está cambiando con la transmisión. Yo lo veo ahí, le digo, pero no te parqueaste por allá.
Oh man, he just made you like a.
I ain't look like no bitch, bro.
You weak. That's basically what he just told you.
So he's saying, talking about using the bearing.
Yeah, I need to verify, but I spoke to Synchrotech, and he told me it's not for the year. He told me buy it directly in Honda.
If I can reuse them, I want to.
Yeah,
But if not, then...
yeah, see, it's good. I reuse it.
Boy, this shit crazy.
I'm back at the garage. I started lining all the important wires, well basically all the wires with the gold tape. Comes in the PRL kit. The brake lines down there. I'm gonna use this material because it's a little bit thicker. This also came in the kit, but it's harder to wrap around all the wires and shit.
Banging gears like no tomorrow.
I'm building the transmission, so I'm gonna be banging this, bro. I'm gonna be banging them shit, bro. Got it, I got it. Yeah, I got it. And it's type heavy, you know. I wanna see how bad it is.
Yeah. It's actually not that bad, bro. You got hella left. That shit been in the car forever.
Yeah. You're replacing it anyways, too. Yeah, just a little bit. It's not even that bad. Yeah. That's just that one? Yeah. It's kinda bad.
Bro, we better hope that torque done work, bro.
Keep trying, bro.
This?
Keep trying, bro. Go ahead.
Blow up, bro.
Go ahead, bro.
If we blow up, y'all buy me a new one.
I ain't gonna
One more time.
co-recorder working on, so whatever
Stop
breaks in
it.
this car.
Alright, bro. We're wasting time, bro.
Don't like power tools. I said it.
This don't work,
See
bro.
the camera. See, it told y'all. You don't.
Bro, the camera wasn't even on your face. No? Yeah. Walk away. They can't even see you. You're not using a breaker bar? Yeah, use a breaker bar.
Trying, like, you know, I get it done, you know.
Move your neck, bro. This about to stab himself.
Don't do anything I do on this YouTube channel at home, because it's never safe. Shit.
Bro, just untorque it, bro.
I'm still thinking about the fucking fuel cell. We just gotta put a lighter by it, it'll blow it right off. It'll come right down to my neck, bro. I see it happening. There we go.
There you go.
Power tools.
All right, 20 more.
All these pepperoni shit, dog. Couldn't get sausage.
Hey, yo, bro, you can't be saying shit like that, bro.
Guess what? Pause. It's never too late to say pause. Put the pause edit for me. That's it, bro.
That's
When I start my YouTube, alright. I start my YouTube. I'm adding like when they have the words on the bottom. Subtitles. There's gonna be no speech. There's gonna be straight subtitles.
No! God, please, no! 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 No!
For breakfast, he had the pipe.
Bro, you can't say that.
I'm saying what you're.
You got Alex working double time. Look, he using both his hands.
Bro, I'm getting all the footage, dog. What you want? They only work when they want. You missed the whole pepperoni.
I ain't skipping, bro.
You skipped the whole pepperoni, bro.
I ain't even skipping, bro.
If you guys don't know what we're referring to as a
I
pepperoni,
think they can figure it out, bro.
we're talking about.
It out.
Let me zoom in.
I think they got it,
We're
bro.
talking about.
Watch
this
your
last
voice, bro.
one.
Why your voice cracking like that, bro?
You know the last one.
Why you avoiding
It's
that,
not
bro?
focusing at all.
Voice cracked like 3 seconds ago.
Yeah.
I wasn't talking. Alright.
That's the best investment like we've made ever in life. Just shake it. Shake it side to side.
Shake it, baby.
Okay, so he doesn't have to say pause at that one. He doesn't. Nah, bro. Nah, man. Nah, y'all just be trying to come after me, bro. Nah, bro. Nah, y'all just be trying to come after me, dog.
6-puck clutch, yes, rich disc, yes.
Come on, the voice.
You a f***ing guy.
I am.
No.
That's a crash, bro.
When he puts the flywheel on, it's gonna drip brake part cleaner into his face. If it goes into his face, it's gonna drop into his mouth, right?
Come down here. Yo, pause, bro. Damn. See? That line the fuck up. Yeah. I'm showing him my face. Show the fucking flywheel. Line the not.
He want me to show you guys, he about to drop it in his face.
They make it active. I'm addicted to flashing and fashion.
I bet you wear Fruit of the Loom underwear. He had to check. Look.
They don't recognize now that I'm blasting.
I got hands today.
I done drop a couple for them maggots. You can talk a lot, but it get tragic. From New York, so we making it happen. Why they try to keep me